Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can make a fishing rod using pixel art for our texture pack. So let's jump right in. So right here, as you can see, I have this file open right here. So I'm just going to rename this layer to let's just use refer. So I've just opened up an image which I'm going to be using for reference. And what I'm going to do is just set the opacity to 50%, there we go. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Obviously you guys don't actually have to do this. I'm doing it so that we can set up the refer layer. Mode, normal. Okay, well, that's good. Now, what we're going to be doing first is, like always, we're just going to be doing like the outer shape. So first, let's just go ahead and do this part. Okay, I'm just going to leave that part. And you guys obviously can indeed follow along. And I'm going to turn on the grid just so that you guys can see how many pixels it is. If you want to do the exact same one, but I would recommend you guys to do it a little different from this one. But yeah. Okay, now we're going to click R and select these pixels. 2 pixels above, these pixels going down. How I'm selecting all these is by holding shift. Actually, I was holding control. So that was a mistake. So let's just do this. Okay, you need to turn off the grid because the selections, they are not visible properly. But yeah, let's just select all of this. There we go. Now we will do a gradient from white to a grayish color. So let's just go ahead, and we already have white, and I would say that is pretty good. Click G, gradient. Why do I keep saying transition? Okay, there we go. Click enter, and now right here, as you can see, looks pretty good. Okay, so next what I'm going to actually do is just get that color and then that color. Yeah, we have that in the color palette. I'm just going to show you guys. So that's the HTML notation for the first one, and that's for the second one. Now we obviously need to go ahead and select these. So let's just go ahead, select all of this like so. Okay. There we go. And boom, there we go. Now click G and just drag it from there to the bottom. Click enter. It's actually a pretty subtle transition, or why do we keep saying transition? It's gradient. So yeah. Okay. So this is just from the color palette. So I'm just going to actually go ahead, select that color, put that there, select that color, put that there, select that color, put that there. It's just a transition. So you guys remember the starting colors that we took is just why do I keep saying transition again? It's just a gradient from the normal color from the color palette that we took while making the sword for the transition 2, and this is the second one. Now these colors right here, again, I'm just going to color pick them. I'm pretty sure that this is also a gradient. Yeah, it is. It is a gradient from top to, I think, somewhere there. Actually, there. Just mess around with it. And now our fishing rod is done. Now we need to do the fishing rod uncast one. So this one, just like the other one, we're going to rename the layer to main, create a new layer, it is refer layer, create a new layer, call it main. All of these settings, yeah, they are normal. Okay, and now obviously what we need to do is refer layer. We just need to get the opacity down to 50. Why do we keep typing 59? Okay, N And obviously this is just black. Okay, actually what we can actually do for this is we can just copy this, paste, and there we go, we already have all of this. Now we just need to do like the string part, which is very easy. It's just the same gradient from there. So just like that, click R, and there, G, drag it. Oh wait, didn't select that. It's weird, but whatever. G, and there we go. The gradient, that's done. Okay, Control Shift A, put that. It's just the two colors from, it's like a little darker shade of the color that we used in the starting, and that's just a little like off-white kind of color. Okay, some gray. You guys can just choose these colors by yourself, honestly. But yeah, this is actually a pretty short video on how to create the fishing rod. So yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.